Let's learn how to see who blocked you on Instagram. Now, if you think some people might have blocked you on Instagram, you're wondering if you can check to see if you are actually blocked from that one person. I'll walk you through all of those steps to learn it. For now, if you open Instagram app, it won't send you any notifications. You don't know if someone blocked you on Instagram if you don't look at the specific things which show you who blocked you. That specific things is to go on little magnifying in the bottom of the screen, and then on search bar type nickname for specific account you want to see. Now when you come on person you can see photos and videos of that person who shared on Instagram. You can open their following or followers list, and you can see their followers. So that means they didn't block you and everything is normal. But if you don't see their posts or reels, that means they blocked you. This is a picture when someone blocked you. On this picture you can see this person have a 3 photo, but I can't see it. So that's a pretty good indication that you have blocked from that account. Also, it can be that when you on search bar type someone nickname and Instagram tells you that user not found. But that's not a 100% sure way that person blocked you. Maybe they deleted permanently their account and maybe they didn't necessarily blocked you. So what you can do is to ask your friend or family member who follow that account to open their account and see if that account have post or not. If they have post, you can be 100% sure they blocked you. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.